Yes, today marks the end of the engagement here in Sweden, Stockholm. I just come out of the conference room. It has been 3 days wonderful season for most of us. In fact, it was embraced for people of different race and religion, and it was an opening for many of them. So many we are grateful that they came. Some were left the hall confused, and they didn't stop asking questions. I mean, who would have believed that most of the things we are taught as a people were lies? So, having walked through these 3 days with these wonderful people within these 3 days, having been able to engage them in productive and progressive conversation, things were reviewed. I myself too, I wouldn't tell you I didn't take anything away from the conversation. I mean, at times it was a check and balance issue, but the majority of the fact is that the lies were uncovered, and we were able to really touch the places that we are supposed to touch. And I'm also looking forward to the other meetings I'll be having in Madrid, and then the ones I will also be having in Paris, and the meetings also I'll be having in Amsterdam, and the one in Frankfurt. Looking forward next year also to the one we will be having early next year, around January, in Canada and in US. But you see, it was wonderful that we had this conference, and people came, and it helped a lot of us who are speakers also to really go back to the table and do some research, because you wouldn't want to go out there and give people something that is not the truth. So it's not about shouting awakening. It's about knowing the truth. It doesn't even matter if the truth is against what you originally believe. The fact remains that the truth will always be the truth, whether it is what you accept or what you don't accept, whether you dislike it or you approve it. The truth will always be the truth. So we had a wonderful time. Eyes were opened. Still yet, people are opening up their mind, because there were a lot of informations that were totally new, something, totally strange, to certain minds. And as it was coming, they were receiving it, and they understand the importance of being open for you to be able to digest it and also go into your own research. We don't teach people. What we do is that we give you a platform, an awakening platform, for there you stand, and then you begin to do your own research. There are so many things we don't need to take on face value. I'm not asking you to take my word for it, but being around, seeing facts, seeing proofs will make you think twice of certain things that you have, you used to fall back to and say these are the truths. And there is a new definition for truth. Truth has a new definition, and that is what we have come to expose. And indeed, we did expose it. In these 3 days explosive conference, we exposed the truth. We brought the truth to light. So I hope many of you that couldn't make it to Sweden will be able to make it either to Spain, or be able to make it to France, or be able to make it to Holland, Netherlands, or be able to make it Deutschland or Germany. So we are hoping to see more people, especially those who are crying and then calling for awakening. It's been your man, Ihan Hichuku. I wish you a pleasant time.